What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video out here from Six Flags over Texas. I'm out here with Ellis.
What's up, y'all?
And I just got off a flight from San Diego and Spain is open. We're gonna look more in depth into the theming here soon, but with Spain being open, that also means Tormenta is open with it. So if y'all know what that means, it's time for my first ever ride here on Tormenta Rampaging Run. I honestly cannot believe I'm here right now. This is so sick. Getting in line for a brand new roller coaster. Ellis, are you hyped? I know you've ridden this already, but what are your thoughts?
Okay, what are my thoughts? First of all, I'm beyond shocked.
Yeah.
That's all I gotta say.
Yeah.
I'll leave it at that. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's just ride.
And we are good to go. Holy crap. Are y'all ready? Let's go. Woo! Let's go. Are you ready?
I'm ready. How about you?
I'm so ready. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Wow. Oh my God. That is tall. Going from Emperor at San Diego to this is insane. Oh yeah, I can feel the swaying. It's swaying a little bit. Oh my gosh, look at that view. That's wild. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You are taller than oil, Derek. That's crazy. The sway is insane. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Wow. Woo! Woo! Wow. That is awesome. Woo! Oh my goodness. You can feel it swaying up here. Oh, you're swaying a lot. Here we go. Oh my head chopper! What in the world? That is crazy! Woo! Oh yeah! These elements are so cool. Woo! Oh my god! Oh! Oh yeah, the brakes. Oh! Oh! This is so funny. Oh my gosh. That gets so close. Oh my gosh. This line has actually been moving pretty quickly, especially with it only being on 2 trains. They did have to take a train off for a few issues. But yeah, this is actually moving pretty quickly. We've been in line for about 15 minutes and we were all the way back there. The line has not really grown at all, but it also hasn't really shrunk because none of these switchbacks are being used. It's strictly that section of switchbacks over there. All right, I know you guys have been here yesterday along with today. Y'all have gotten a couple rides on Tormenta. What do y'all think?
So for my first ride, it was amazing. Way more intense than I was expecting. And I don't think it has a rattle, honestly.
You don't think so?
It's very, very smooth, very fast. When you're up there, you see that view. It feels so much taller than 309.
Yeah, it's insane.
Please scan the provided barcode to open an available locker.
All right, taking a back row ride here on Tormenta. Bye, Tay. This lift is insane. It's so back for a 309-foot tall lift hill. All right, we're already at the top. Tormenta. This is wild. That's crazy. And you can't even see the drop in front of you. This is wild. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh, you fly through that loop. Holy. Woo! Oh. Woo! It's not rough at all. I don't know what people are talking about. That is smooth. That's perfectly smooth. It's not on the outside seat. Here we go. Whoa! That's glorious. Woo! Oh! Woo! Those head choppers are insane. Oh, that is so much fun. That is wild. These brakes are so fun. Ooh, that didn't sound good. I just got off of my first 2 rides there on Tormenta Rampaging Run, and this thing is absolutely wild. Especially like seeing this thing get built for so long and now finally getting the chance to ride it is like otherworldly. It is so insane. Personally, it is not the best in the park just yet. I still need a couple of more rides in the front and especially in the back. Honestly, the rattle is not that bad. I find it incredibly smooth. Yes, there is a little bit of shaking in some of the valleys, but it's not bad at all. To be fair, both of my rides were in the middle of the train, not on the outside seat, so maybe that'll change things. But as of right now, it is number 2, and if y'all are wondering, Freeze Reverse is my favorite ride in the park, but this is a very close second. That line did grow quite a bit, so I'm gonna wait to ride a couple more times until tonight, because the park is open until 11 tonight for fireworks. Coming into the gift shop, you are able to see some brand new pieces of merchandise. We'll get there in just a second, but they have pretty much restocked a lot of the merchandise in here and added a lot of new things. So we're gonna start off with some of the brand new hats that they have to offer. All right, we have some brand new gray hats with the black lettering. These look very nice. We have this nice red on black hat with the red text. That is probably my new favorite design for hats. We've got some nice bucket hats with the Tormenta logo on them, along with some new zipper shorts that I've actually never seen here at the park before. And then of course we have a brand new camo design with black lettering on the camo, which looks really cool. I know some people are really gonna love this. And then this green one we have definitely seen before. Over here we have some brand new mugs, like the red interior of the mug, the matte black on the outside. That looks very nice. And the one that I know a lot of coaster fans are gonna love is the iconic ride vehicles of Tormenta. This is a snap together plastic model of the lead car of Tormenta with the track and the Six Flags Over Texas logo on it. These models were made by the incredible people at Print My Ride Detroit. So they have done an incredible job. They make the coaster cutout models, so if you guys ever want the coaster cutouts, you guys know where to get that, but it is $60 for this model. Hopefully closer to opening date, we will see even more merchandise here at the park, including some nano coasters and some coaster cutouts, hopefully. All right, we're on a little side quest. We found Ellis. We're doing Roaring Rapids because it just reopened. Yesterday was opening day here at Roaring Rapids, so I have not ridden this in like 2 years, so we're gonna take our ride and see how it is. They actually did get all new boats here at Roaring Rapids, so you might notice that they're all brand new, nice yellow color. They look incredible. There's those nice yellow rafts, brand new, nice. There they go. It's so nice to have this open, like genuinely, other than all the gnats around here. It is a fairly popular ride and it takes a lot of crowds away from other areas of the park. So it's very nice. The bottom of the boat is kind of wet, so we might be screwed here.
Tight. Okay, we're chill. Do you get wet on this ride? No. Oh yeah? It's always the last one. It's always the last one. No, please, no.
No, we're not.
Here we go.
I left shoe.
Yes.
Bro, why did I decide to ride this? Oh, wow. That is sick. Holy, that's awesome. This is absolutely the coolest entrance sign in the park by a mile. Oh my, that line is extremely long. Jeez. Well, we're gonna wait it. Well, we bailed on a Tormenta night ride because they just went down to 1 train operations. So I don't have 3.5 hours to wait for this ride. I have to get out of here pretty much right after fireworks. But the fireworks will be nice to watch. This is insane. That's gonna do it for today's video out here from Six Flags over Texas. Yes, I did indeed leave during the fireworks just to get out of this insane madhouse that they have for the fireworks. Like after the fireworks are done, everyone leaves and it's just absolutely insane. Unfortunately, I was not able to get a Tormenta night ride tonight due to the fact that they went down to 1 train ops and the line grew to about 3 hours from the point that I was at. So I was not about to sit here until 1 a.m. just to ride Tormenta once. But hopefully I get a night ride tomorrow. I know this video will most likely be out tomorrow. A full in-depth review of Tormenta will be coming very soon once I get some more rides on it. Because right now I only have 2, but it is an incredible addition to this park. Seriously, a home run. It's exactly what this park needed. There it is. But that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.